Why does water freeze and why does ice melt? Have you ever thought about why ice melts or why water freezes? Does water freeze simply because it gets really, really cold? And does ice melt because it gets hot? Is there some kind of science behind why this happens? Let's find out. What is water made up of? Water is made up of lots of little things called molecules. Come on, have a try and say it with me. Molecules. Molecules are so small that they aren't visible to the eye. We can't see them. Even large molecules are so small that we wouldn't be able to see them by themselves. But when thousands of molecules come together, they could look like a glass of water, a tree in the forest, or even a computer screen. It just depends on what kind of molecules they are. In fact, almost everything on Earth is made up of molecules. Now that you know about molecules, let's have a look at why water freezes and why ice melts. When water is cooled below 0 degrees Celsius, it will freeze and turn into ice. The molecules that are in water have so much energy and are bumping into each other constantly. But as the water starts to cool, the molecules start losing their energy, causing them to slow down. When the water gets colder and colder, the molecules start hooking together. This is what helps to make ice hard and stiff. Eventually, they stop moving altogether. You now have ice instead of water. You can pause this video now and do a practical activity where students pretend they are molecules in water that is starting to freeze. Now, why does ice melt? We just saw how, when water gets really cold, the molecules link together and stop moving. So when ice is heated, it starts to melt. This causes the molecules to get back their energy and start bumping into each other and moving really, really fast. Hopefully now, after exploring why water freezes and why ice melts, you have a better understanding of the science behind it and understand that it doesn't just happen because it gets hot or cold. Thanks for watching.